Welcome to this very important tutorial where I show you in less than 4 minutes how to ensure that you are able to deposit money on Binance using your bank account in Nigeria, or basically how to buy crypto, Bitcoin with your bank account in Nigeria. This is how you go about it. Make sure this is the interface you're seeing when you're using the Binance app. If you can't see this interface, just go to the side that shows you all the settings according to your account and turn off the Binance Lite interface. Make sure you turn off the Binance Lite interface and then you can see this interface. If you don't have a Binance account, go to Binance.com and create an account now. You can use the link in my description because it gives you a 10% save on all spot trades. Everyone loves to save money. Use the link in my description. You can then, after that, confirm your identity or verify your identity. You can do this using the NIN, or you can use your passport or your driver's license. It's a fast process. It takes just up to about 24 hours and sometimes less. So go ahead and verify your account. You need to verify your account to use Binance in the way that we're about to use it. Also remember to add your mobile number because Binance would like to send you SMS about your P2P trades via your mobile number. So make sure you add your mobile number and now you are ready to go. So now that you are ready to go ahead and find P2P. You can find P2P in different ways. You can see that there's P2P trading on my home screen, buy with NGN or deposit with NGN. Anyway, I'm going to show you the long way in case you don't see it. Go to trade. Now that you've gone to trade, you can go to P2P, and then when you go to P2P, you're going to see that there are so many people selling crypto. So make sure it's NGN. Make sure it is NGN that you are seeing on your P2P screen. And yeah, confirm the risk notice, and you're going to see all the people selling crypto in Nigeria. Note that you can buy different cryptocurrencies. You can buy a stable coin like USDT or BUSD. You can buy other cryptocurrencies like BTC with your bank account in Nigeria on Binance, or you can buy Ethereum with your bank account in Nigeria on Binance, and you can also buy BNB, right? So we are going to use USDT as the example here. For you to make sure that you are interacting with the right person, go to the filter, the funnel in the corner, and then you can enter the amount of money you want to spend on buying crypto. So what are we doing? How much are we buying? Let's say we want to buy 10,000 naira of crypto. Now we can also then select our payment option. There are so many payment options here. Cheaper cash, bank transfer. So I'm just going to click on bank transfer because that covers a lot of things, right? And I'm going to confirm. Now that I have confirmed, I have seen everybody. That allows me to buy 10,000 naira worth of USDT or crypto using bank transfer. I'm going to click on that particular person, and now I'm going to enter the amount, 10,000, and now I'm ready to buy. But don't just go straight into buying. Make sure you know who you're buying from. So if you want to know anything about this particular person, you can check up on the person and the feedback that they have gotten in the past by clicking on the seller's nickname, so Mr. Wealth. Let's check out what Mr. Wealth has done in the last couple of months, in the last couple of weeks. What is the feedback? Well, positive, polite, friendly, safe, trustworthy. All of these things seem to look good, so that's a great thing. He also has a verified merchant badge, which means that Mr. Wealth is verified. He has completed 1,143 trades in the last 30 days. That's a lot of trades. So you can at least trust this person. Also go ahead and check if Mr. Wealth has any terms. He says, kindly drop a message after payments to notify me. Thanks. So make sure that when you're done paying to Mr. Wealth's bank account, you then go ahead and notify Mr. Wealth. Now that you have all of these things checked, just go ahead and click buy USDT. It will give you the details, the bank details of this particular trader. You send the money to the person, notify the person, and confirm that you have made payment. The person will equally confirm on their end, and the crypto will be deposited in your P2P or funding wallet on Binance. Congratulations, you have done the not so impossible. You have deposited money via bank transfer on Binance. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and use the comments for any questions. Thank you.